Hey guys, JR here. We're going to take a walk into my shed here and show you what I've been working on. So I decided I didn't want to spend $60, $80, $200 on a brass tumbler. So I made my own out of stuff I already had. I'm tumbling some 380 brass right now. Basically, I already had this concrete mixer. I think it's a Lowe's brand. There's the barrel over there for it. And what I did is there's 3 bolts that hold the barrel on. 1, 2, and then a 3rd underneath there. I just took them off of that barrel, drilled 3 holes in this 5-gallon Homer bucket, bolted it on. I had some scrap sheet metal laying around. I bent them on my brake, pop riveted the edges, the outsides. And there you go. One of the fins is squared off with the back, so it goes up against the back. One of them tapers down so it allows stuff to go through, and one of them is tapered the other way so it still allows stuff to go through the back, but it has a tighter blade up top. I just did 3 different designs and alternated them, so you get a good mixing with them. I had all this stuff. The only thing I had to buy was the media. I got the fine walnut shell media from Harbor Freight. This entire box cost me, I think, $20, and I think you can get it on sale for a better price than that if you're patient. But anyways, this is all that it is. Every now and then I've tried adding bits of car wax, cut a couple bits off that and throw it in there with the media to polish up the brass, but as you can see, it does a pretty good job at cleaning that brass. When I first came in here, you saw I had a garbage bag sitting on it. That's just because this walnut media makes a little bit of dust. You can see there's some dust on these fins, and so it just kind of gets dusty in here. So there you go. There's a homemade brass tumbler. I spent no money on it, just for the media. If you went out and bought the Homer bucket and some sheet metal, you'd probably be into it for about $5.